Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about how an operators are evaluated in C program. To evaluate an expressions in C program, we have to consider two important notions. The first one is operator precedence and second one is operator associativity. So the operator precedence defines the priority given for the operators, that is, which operator is selected first for evaluation. The operator associativity rule specify the direction of an evaluation, that is, should I evaluate from left to right or right to left. So the associativity rule will be applied when the expression is having two or more operators which are having at same precedence level. Then we find what is the associativity of the operator, and according to that we will evaluate an expression. So let us evaluate the following expressions by applying the precedence of the operator and operator associativity rule. So here an expression is given. In this expression we are having many operators. So to start evaluation of an expression, first we should identify what is a priority of each operator. So then only it is possible to select a correct operator for the evaluation. So in this expression we are having the operator modulus less than or equal to sign, subtraction operator, addition, double equal to sign, and not equal to sign, and greater than or equal to sign. So if we look at all these operators, the first priority given to percentage, the second priority goes to addition or subtraction operator, the third priority goes to, that is, greater than or equal to or less than or equal to sign, and a last priority is given to double equal to, that is equality operator, and not equal to operator. So here in this expression we are having modulus operator at two places. So in which direction we should start the evaluation? So here what we do, we will apply the precedence of the operator rule as well as associativity of the operators. So in case of modulus operator, the associativity is left to right. So therefore we start solving this expression from left to right. So first we will evaluate 100 divided by 100 modulus 20. So what is the result here? So a reminder will be the result. So less than or equal to 20 minus 5 plus 100 mod 10 equal to, again it's a 0, and next we have a minus 20, so equal to 5 greater than or equal to 1 not equal to 20. So this is a result of an evaluation of modulus operator. So the next operator we are going to choose is subtraction and addition operation. So both the operators are at the same precedence level, therefore the associativity of the addition and subtraction is from left to right. So therefore I keep 0 as it is, less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 20, and yeah, 20 minus 5 is 15. So next an addition operation will be applied, that is 15 plus 0 equal to 15, and again minus 20, so this becomes minus 5. Okay, so the evaluation of whole this expression, that is 20 minus 5 plus 0 minus 20, and after that, so I will evaluate this with, yeah, so next we have double equal to 5 greater than or equal to say 1, so not equal to say 20. So this is a result of an expression. So next we start evaluation. So this is equal to, so in this expression, so less than or equal to will be given a highest priority. Therefore 0 less than or equal to minus 5, so 0 is not less than or equal to minus 5, therefore the result is what here, 0 equal to 5 greater than or equal to 1, yes, the condition is true, therefore it is 1, and after this not equal to operation will be applied. So here the result of this evaluation is, so 0 equal to 1, so here both the operands are at the same precedence level, so therefore left to right direction will be followed. So 0 equal to 1, so 0 is not equal to 1, therefore the result is 0. 0 not equal to say 20, yeah, 0 not equal to 20, yes, the 0 is not equal to 20, so therefore the final result is what here, 1. So 1 means it's a true. So this is a result of an evaluation. So let us evaluate this expression. So here we have x equal to a minus b divided by 3 minus c into 2 minus 1. So where a equal to 9, b equal to 12, and c equal to 13. So let us substitute our values for a. So this becomes 9 minus 12 divided by 3 minus 3 into 2 minus 1. So after substituting the corresponding values, this is our expression. So let us start evaluation. So here we have two subtract operators and three subtract operators and one division operation and one multiplication operation. So if we look at the precedence of the operators here, divide and multiplication will be at the same priority level. So therefore we will check with what is its associativity. So the associativity is left to right. So therefore, so 9 minus, so 12 divided by 3 equal to 4 minus 3 into 2 equal to 6 minus 1. So this is a result of an evaluation. So here all operators are minus subtraction operator, and let us look at its precedence associativity. So here left to right direction for the subtract operation. So therefore, so 9 minus 4 equal to say 5 minus 6 minus 1, and final result will be 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1, so minus 1, so the result will be, so it's a minus 2. So let us evaluate this expression. So here we have not equal to operator, or operator, less than operator, and logical and operator. So in this expression, uh, the less than or less than sign is having the highest priority, and next highest priority is given to the uh, not equal to operator, after that logical and operator, and finally logical or operator. So first we follow the evaluation of an expression for less than symbol. So here there is no concept of associativity, because all operators are at different precedence level. So therefore the operators which are having highest priority, that will be selected first and an expression will be evaluated. So it becomes 10 not equal to say 10, or yeah, 5 less than 4, no, 5 is greater than 4, therefore the result is 0, and logical and operator, yeah, 8. So next the result will be what here, the next priority is given to the not equal to operator. So 10 not equal to 10, it is a false, because 10 is equal to 10, so therefore it is a false, or 0 and 8. So next we will consider logical and operator for the evaluation. So therefore it's a 0 or 0 logical and 8, it's again the result is 0. So 0 or 0, so the final result is what here, 0. This is an evaluation of this particular expression. So there are two important things we have to remember. The first one is precedence of an operator, nothing but priority, and associativity. So associativity will be applied when two or more operators are at the same level, precedence level. So this table shows the operators and its priority and associativity. So let us cross verify whether the evaluation of an expression is correct or not with the help of the program. Yes, here what I do, I just open a new file. Okay, so hash include stdio.h, so void main. Yes, here just I write a printf statement, the result of an evaluation of an expression is %d /n double quote complete comma. So here I write an expression. Okay, here I just insert that particular expression. Let us check what result will be generated. That is 100 mod 20 less than or equal to 20 minus 5 plus 100 mod 10 minus 20 double equal to 5 greater than or equal to 1 not equal to say 20. So this is our expression just now what we have evaluated. I just close this flower bracket to complete the program. I save this EVA.C. So let me debug this program. Yes, I have a error. Yeah, I should close one more flower bracket. Okay, I save this, build. Okay, run this program. So what is the result? 1. So what result we have obtained? So here we have obtained 1, means our evaluation is correct. So let us check with this expression. So again I go to this code. Here I just insert an expression, that is what is our expression? Our expression is, so a minus b. Yes, what is the value of a? The value of a is 9 minus, so b value is, say, 12 divided by 3 minus, what is the value of c we should consider, that is 3 into 2 minus 1. So again I save this file, build. I run this code. So I am getting -2 as the answer after executing this particular expression. So what result we have obtained? -2. So our evaluation is correct. So let us check with the third one. I just copy this instruction and I paste here. Here I do enter the third expression, that is 10 not equal to 10, or 5 less than 4 ampersand 8. This is my third expression. I just save this, build. I run this code. So the third expression evaluation result is 0. So we have also obtained a result as a 0, means our evaluation is correct because we have followed the notions operator precedence or priority or operator associativity. Thank you.